This is Fluency Module 3, Lesson 7. And it's a fairly short fluency exercise this morning. We are going to do some multiplication. We're going to be doing it mentally, in other words, in your head. We're going to start with this little set right here. So we'll start with 3 times 2 in your head. What is that? And now let's say it together. 3 times 2 equals 6. All right, the next one is 40 times 2. Well, 4 times 2 times 10. So in your head, you should have come up with, well, 40 times 2 is 80. So if we say 43 times 2, well, we already know what 3 times 2 is, that's 6, and we know what 40 times 2 is, that's 80. So our answer to 43 times 2 would be 86 if we put those two together. All right, let's look at the next one. Ultimately, we're going to find out what 32 times 3 is. So we'll start there with 2 times 3. In your head mentally, that is 2 times 3 equals 6. Well, 30 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9 times 10, so that would be 90. So we can add those two together to get 32 times 3, which is 30 times 3 plus 2 times 3, or 96. Alrighty. Hopefully as we're doing this, you're seeing that it's not quite as scary as it might have looked at the beginning. We'll start with 1 times 4. That should have been right away. You knew that that was 4. 20 times 4, or 2 times 4 times 10, gives you 80. So 21 times 4, 20 times 4 plus 1 times 4 is 84. Here's the last one. 4 times 4. A little bit trickier this time. 4 times 4 is 16. 20 times 4, again, 2 times 4 times 10 is 80. So 24 times 4 would be 16 plus 80, or 96. That's it for Fluency today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.